My name is John Holmes. I've been with Causeway for 5 years. I started here straight out of OCVTS in Jackson. I've been trained here through everything. I started in the parts room. They worked me up. I went from the parts guy to the detailer to a QC guy to blueprint to being a full technician. They sent me to Texas to learn how to do glass work. They've helped me become a better technician and a better person. I'm just working my way through trying to become a better technician. I'm thinking about a B Tech right now. I want to become an A Tech. I want to be doing what the best guy here does. I want to be the best guy eventually.